When we're looking at stores of the future, we've already said there's a big piece around experience, but the second most important one is actually knowing the customers, and Qudini really supports us and will be an enabler for our stores of the future, whether it's from a care perspective or events.
Qudini Events is a great tool we've just launched. It allows the customer to book various events that we're running in our SES stores. It's a training tool for a group of people. Customers can arrive with their products and they're given tutorials on workshops on how to make the best of your Samsung product. The event is booked on the SES webpage. From there they select the event that they wish to attend. From the receipt confirmation, again SMS and email, they arrive in store, the concierge will greet them and they go straight down to the training section within the store. The events manager will have the list of attendees that is listed on Qudini's website. They will book the customer in, very simple process. Because of launching the online booking tool, the incremental footfall we've had in store is just starting to be realised.
What it also allows us to do is understand what are the preferable days for customers to come in. Now we can see that in advance, and that's a huge piece of knowledge for us to understand.
Across all of our channels, either through .com or walking in store, the customer journey is very clean and efficient.
The customer's expectation when they come into store is to have an amazing experience, and where we have a tool like Qudini that only really enforces that experience. It allows us to move away from what was a manual paper-based service to something that is online and in store, and replicate what we have within care as well, so we have consistency across the piece.
Learning to use Qudini is really simple. The steps are really easy. The user interface is really simple. Took me about half a day to learn how to utilise all the services.
Working with Qudini has been great. The support has been fantastic from the team, but we've been very accommodating, very efficient. Pleasure to work with the business.